it's me again, Soraya. We're back with another spooky story to count down till Halloween. Sorry. Just a few more days left, and our 10th tale is a good one. This is the story of a ghostly wail that came from within the walls of a home, a nightmare we call the Whispering Ghost. Mr. and Mrs. P were a hopeful couple. They had just purchased an old fixer-upper, a house that had stood idle for a while after its previous owner had passed away. They knew it would be a lot of work, a new roof, new paint, new everything, but they were excited. The house had good bones, and they were ready to make it a home for their active little family, including their kids and an assortment of exotic pets. To save money, they went with the lower bidding contractors for the roof and HVAC installation. A few weeks later, the house was complete and they settled in. But even with the new central AC, the house was strangely warm and muggy. They just chalked it up to their tropical lizards and snake that needed heat bulbs and daily water misting. The kids running around surely didn't help either. Strangely though, the master bedroom was the warmest room in the house, even though no pets or kids were ever in there. During a week of unusually warm nights, with her husband fast asleep, Mrs. P started hearing it. A sound, a low, mournful whistling coming from the vent in their bedroom, like a moaning ghost trapped within the walls. She stood under the vent and felt a gentle airflow. Nothing unusual. She shone a light up into the darkness, but she saw nothing, only tiny dust particles swirling in the beam. She walked around the house, checking the other vents. There was nothing, only a gentle hum of the AC unit on the other side of the house. She returned to the bedroom, and the haunting began again. A low, mournful howl coming from the vent. It sounded like it was right there, trapped in the walls. Was it the ghost of the old owner who lived there and died there? It was a frightening thought. The next morning, Mrs. P told her husband what she had heard. Trying to be rational, he decided to go into the attic and investigate. And what he found was not a ghost or a spirit, but a horrifying reality. The vent was not properly sealed to the duct. There was a large gap, a hole between the duct and the vent boot. The sound Mrs. P had heard was their air moving through that unsealed opening, creating a ghostly whistling. The dusty air swirling in the flashlight beam, that was the unfiltered air from the attic being sucked into their ductwork. The P family called a new, more reputable contractor to fix the issue. The new contractor sealed the ductwork, and the ghostly whistling disappeared for good. Their house was now a comfortable temperature, and the master bedroom was no longer a humid, sweltering room. Our wailing ghost turned out to be an HVAC problem, and you certainly don't want that similar evil to ever haunt your home. So you can watch out for these signs of a leaky duct. Hissing or whistling noises from your vents, poor or uneven comfort throughout the home, high energy bills, dusty air, and especially after your AC has been running. So you could give Kalos a call if you suspect a friendly little ghost living in your ductwork or that your ductwork isn't sealed properly. We will send an expertly trained technician out there to ensure that you sleep comfortably and free of ghostly whispers.